Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm met again back with your favorite Meesho haul, and this time I thought like I'll make something different. So I got random Meesho finds. So these products will be useful on your everyday basis, I feel. So I hope you like this video. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು Meesho ಇಂದ some random stuffs order ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಈ products ನಿಮಗೆ daily basis ಅಲ್ಲಿ useful ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ and share it with your friends and family. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel to grow. So I hope you guys will support me. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this packaging. I'm really excited to show you guys this product because I was really waiting for this particular product. So this is a glass jar. So this is like a sipper. Let me open it and show you guys. You guys might have seen this particular, kind of containers. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is like a glass and they have given a wooden lid. So this is how you get. And this sipper is also, this straw is also like a glass. You have to be very careful while you are washing this one. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಡ್ ಬಂದು ವುಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಸಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಇದು ಸಹ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 256 rupees. I think it's a very good product, and the quality of this product is really good. It's not cheap at all. Definitely you can go for this. You can keep it at home or you can use it for office purpose also. I got this to use it in office. So sometimes I'll be drinking coffee or juice. I really need this kind of containers because I don't like to use plastic. So definitely this is a very good option, but you will have to be very careful while washing this products. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 256 rupees. ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Alright, the next product which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is like a bra pad. Let me show you this product. So this is how it looks like. You get this sticky thing in the back. So you have to just stick it to your boobies like this and then give a push. Oh my god, this is like too sticky. So yeah, this is how you do it. So you have to stick it and just stick it back like this. So it will give a good lift to your bra. So unfortunately I cannot give you a trial of this because I cannot do it, guys. So the price of this particular product is 174 rupees. After discount you get it for 161 rupees. You can use this product couple of times because I have used this product before also. It is very useful because if you are wearing a backless dresses, this kind of products are really useful. But if you are like a very big if you have a very big chest, I think this is not suitable for you guys. But with medium chest like 32 or 34, I think we can manage with this product. Definitely this is a very good investment. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. I'll put the product links. If you want to buy it, definitely go for it, guys. Let's move on to the next one, which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a travel bag, and this is how it looks like. Behind also you get this space. And let me show you guys. So this is how you open this, and you can hang this somewhere while you are using this bag, and you can put a lot of stuffs here, and there's also a space here and here as well. So you get one more zip here. So very good spacious bag. Definitely I would recommend this particular bag to you guys. You can put like your cosmetics and your bathroom stuffs. Definitely this is a very good option if you are traveling. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, the price of this particular multifunctional organizer is 230 rupees. After discount you get it for 220 rupees. I think this is a very affordable option if you're looking for a travel bag. definitely you can put in lot of stuff in this. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 220 rupees, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So yes guys, let's move on to the next one. Next product which I'm gonna show you guys is very very interesting. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is the product which I'm talking about. This is a tablet. You can eat this tablet, guys. No, this is not tablet. This is like a tissue, coin tablet tissue, guys. So this is how it looks like, and you can use this, like you can just put water in this and it will come out like a tissue paper. You can use it to wipe your face. This is similar to the wet tissue papers, but wet tissue papers will have kind of a fragrance, so which I don't like. It will irritate my skin. So I got this for 139 rupees. After discount you get it for 129 rupees. It's not very affordable because I got it in this packaging. It has like a 20 to 29 pieces. Not very affordable, but however you can carry this like 2-3 how much ever you want. This is a really good option when you are traveling. Okay, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 129 rupees. ಇದು 22 ಪೀಸಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ guys. Let's which I'm going to show you guys is this charger cover, and this is how it looks like. Very beautiful. It has like a Starbucks cup shape, and this is how you can fix your charger in this, and this is your charging cable, and in the ends they have given this thing, rubber thing, and you know that over the period of time your wire will get cut here. So to avoid that you can use this particular cover, and there's also a string to it. You can fix the strings. Let me just show you guys. So there is a string, so you can just twist it, and then you can just fix it. So it will take longer time. I cannot show you guys right now, but I'll post a picture here how to use this. I mean how you can fix this one. So the price of this particular product is 249 rupees. After discount you get it for 235 rupees. I think it's a very nice stuff. Because the quality of this product is really nice. Ee product quality tumba chenagide. After discount ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 235 rupees. ಇದು ನೀವು ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ I feel. The next product which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is like a sweat pads. It has like a 10 pads in this. So men and women can use this one. So if it is your special day or you're getting married or something, you can fix this to your cloth. So let me show you one. So this is how it looks like. You have to stick it to your inside clothes. I mean you have to stick this inside the clothes, not like outside. So it will absorb your sweat here. This is a really good option on your everyday basis. If you want to smell good, or if you don't want to sweat a lot, I mean if you are a person who sweat a lot, I think this will be very useful. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. The product price is 96 rupees. After discount you get it for 86 rupees. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 86 rupees. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. The next product which I'm going to show you guys is a very useful product. So this is how it looks like. This is like a wall hook. You can just fix it to your wall and hang whatever you want. And this is very very useful guys. And I was looking something like this. And when you stick this one to the wall, it is very strong. It doesn't come out very fast. And the price of this particular product is 120 rupees. After discount you get it for 105 rupees. I think it's a very nice product. You get like 10 pieces for 105 rupees. It's a very good ಬೈ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 105 rupees. ಇದು ನೀವು ವಾಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಇದ್ರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 105 rupees. Definitely you can buy this product, guys. Okay, the next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this packaging. I don't know what is this. Let me see. Oh, okay, I remember this product. So this is how it looks like. This is the eyebrow shaper. How the product looks like. You can remove hair on your upper lip, on your eyebrows, and even on your skin. So this is how it looks like. Very, very useful product, guys, and it looks really fancy as well. I really like the look of this product. And you just have to on this button and you can just do this. It's really useful, guys. I would 100% recommend this product to you guys, and I have used this product. It doesn't give you any cut or anything. So for example, if you are using this razors, right, it is not safe to use. So instead you can use this one. This is very, very comfortable, and it has one more knob. So this is how it looks like. This is quite pointy, and this is this is really big. So you can use this one instead of this. This is for a smaller areas like for your eyebrows. This you can use, and there is also a charging cable for this. You can use this, charge this particular product. So definitely this is a really good investment. And let me tell you the price of this particular product. The price of this particular product is 246 rupees. After discount you get it for 233 rupees. 233 rupees. This kind of product is steal deal. Definitely I would recommend this particular product. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐಬ್ರೋ ಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಹೇರ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 233 rupees. ನಿಮಗೆ 233 rupeesಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಇದು. But don't miss this product. Next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this packaging. Okay, let me show you guys first. So this is how it looks like. These are chocolates, guys. No, these are not chocolates. This is like a soap, paper soap. So this is very, very useful while you're traveling. So you can just use like 2 paper soaps and just put your hands under water. So this will come out like a soap. So very useful product while you're traveling, guys. I really love this one because if you buy soaps, right, it is not quite functional when you're traveling. You cannot carry soaps everywhere, right? So this is very, very handy. And the price of this particular product is 75 rupees. They've added 75 rupees of additional charges for traveling, delivery purpose, and 12 rupees discount. After that you get it for 138 rupees. I know it is a bit more, but for traveling purpose this is very, very useful. When you're outside and you don't find any hand wash or something, this is very, very useful. Idu soap idu. So idana just ಸುಮಾರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೋಪ್ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ 138 rupeesಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. Product which I'm going to show you guys is this fashion tapes. Okay, this fashion tapes, I've seen a lot of influencers reviewing this particular product. This is a very, very useful product, guys. Particular product is 79 rupees. After discount you get it for 69 rupees, and it has like a lot of pieces in this. I am not sure like how many pieces are there in this. I think almost like 50 to 60 pieces are there in this one. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಟೇಪ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಟಾಪ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೀವೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ವೆರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟಾಪ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸಾರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್, ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. Definitely, I would recommend this particular product to you guys. After discount, you get it for 69 rupees. The last product of this haul is this one. I got bottle from Meesho. So I wanted a water bottle. So this is like a 1 liter bottle. So you can put like hot water or cold water in this. It stays like 6 to 12 hours or 6 to 8 hours. That's what I have seen in the Meesho app. So this is how it looks like. Very nice bottle, and there is no damage as such. It looks really nice. And yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. Very nice bottle, and nice, guys. Woo! I wanted to be a singer, but I know I'm a very bad singer. But definitely this is a very good option. So let me tell you the price of this particular product. Okay, the price of this particular product is 549 rupees. After discount, you get it for 534 rupees. Definitely you can go for this. You can, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 hours ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 6 hours, cold ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 6 hours stay ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So very good option, and you're getting it at a very reasonable price. You will not get it at this price outside because the quality is really sturdy, guys. Definitely you can go for it. And I have got last product, which is like a bottle cleaner. So I got this to clean, this kind of bottles, because it should have like a equal length, right? It will not go inside otherwise. So definitely this is also a very nice product. So let me show you guys. So yeah, this is how you clean this. So I think this is a really good option to clean your bottles. And the price of this particular product is 91 rupees. After discount, you get it for 81 rupees. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and share it with your friends and family. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾಲೋ ಮೀ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಾಯ್.